Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic transition for your video editing using CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application and then I'm going to create a new project on CapCut and I'm going to use videos from the CapCut library. So I'm going to go to the library and then I'm going to choose this video. Okay, I'm going to import this video to my project and I'm going to add more videos from the CapCut library. Okay, you can import some videos guys. And for the second video, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, I'm just going to pick random video from the CapCut library. Wait, let me import more videos. And for the next one, I'm going to choose this video. And also, wait, this one and this one. Okay, let me add the video guys. Okay, I have already imported some videos and then I'm going to add cinematic transition. So guys, you can go to the transition menu or transition button right here. And then to create cinematic transition, I recommend you to choose this black fade transition. And then you can increase the duration. You can add long duration. Okay, and then you're going to click on apply to all. And to make your video looks more cinematic, you can apply smooth slow motion guys. This video is already in slow motion mode, so I don't need to make it slower like this. Okay, and yeah, that's so cool. Okay, for this one I'm going to make it slower. So I'm gonna go to the speed menu. Okay, right here, and then I'm going to go to the normal and I'm going to reduce the slow motion. I'm going to reduce the speed and apply the smooth slow motion. Okay, that's the key to make our video looks more cinematic. And I'm going to click on the check mark and let's see how it looks. Okay, this one like this and this one. Yeah. And okay guys, that's all the way to create cinematic transition for your video editing using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.